Yeah, you're going to say it in, like, to everyone?
Oh.
What bras anyway?
You get so many views for this shit. Like Kareena Kapoor. Ding.
No, we are going to look like Aditi madam.
Oh, oops. Sorry.
Yes.
I just find that Kareena has like the most plumpy cheeks.
You cannot say that this is a branded video.
Okay. Aditi has the most plump cheeks.
We free the tits.
No, revitalift them.
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today we have...
How come I don't have a name like that?
What name do you want?
I want Nebula Niharika. That's what my name means.
Let me know in the comments down below if that makes sense to you.
Alright, that's what Niharika means. It means nebula. How the nebula galaxy of stars? Bosslady Shruti and Nebula Niharika.
Yeah, okay. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and welcome Nebula Niharika! So, today, as you can see, we are bare-faced. We are waiting for some goodness, some skincare. So let me tell you a little bit about Nebula Niharika here. Do you want to tell them how shitty your skincare routine is?
Listen, it's not shitty. It's just I like to believe in the raw organic stuff.
Rubbish. She doesn't have any skincare routine. She just keeps putting like one shitty pack on her face thinking that it's going to solve all her problems. And
Acne.
Yeah, so we both actually have oily, acne-prone skin.
She didn't have. I only had. I don't know what happened.
How do you know? I've always had oily
No,
skin.
you've never had acne. I used to have acne very badly.
This woman has also some dementia, early signs of dementia. Clearly, I will be there with you, whatever happens.
To thick and thin.
Yes, so don't worry. I will tell you. I think my audience who's been with me for a long time knows that I am the biggest guinea pig for oily skin products because I am so oily. So anyways, I am an oily skin girl, she's an oily skin girl, and I know that this woman has a really shitty skincare routine at this point. And when I saw her doing what she does, I was just like, girl, you need to get on with the program.
I need to be taught a lesson.
Yes, because मतलब doctor ये है, पर skincare के बारे में मैं इसको समझाऊंगी. So today we have some really cool things that I want her to try. So I hope you watch my videos.
I do.
So do you know what is like my favorite ingredient?
Hyaluronic acid.
Wow! You deserve an award! You deserve an award! Yes.
Hyaluronic acid.
जैसे हमारी अदिति बीबी जी कहती है. So now that you know hyaluronic acid is like my favorite ingredient, the Dr. Sahiba is going to tell you why hyaluronic acid is important.
Well, I think that hyaluronic acid is very good. I used it for my stem cells once. I mean, that's different, but...
This is not a podcast for stem cells.
No.
This is a skincare video. So basically, hyaluronic acid is
great for cells. Skin cells.
Moving on. Did you know that it holds 1,000 times its weight in water?
Yeah, that's why we used to use them for ourselves.
So
So I've heard a lot about it. I know that it's really nutritive, it's really hydrating, it really rejuvenates your skin, but I've never used it.
Yeah, so today we are going to use a beautiful range from L'Oréal Paris. It is their hyaluronic acid range. Yes, it comes with a new launch that they have recently launched, which is their Hydrating Gel Cleanser. The Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which I have spoken about a gazillion times because it has literally changed my life. And their Gel Creme, which is their moisturizer, which kind of is like the last step to your skincare routine. We both have just come out of the shower and we have bare faces. This is the first product that we are going to be using. This is the Hydrating Gel Cleanser. My dermatologist told me that the reason why she also kind of recommends hyaluronic acid, especially for someone who is in like their mid-20s, is because that is the time that the body, it gets depleted from your body. So that is why the body kind of needs hyaluronic acid at that point. I have been using a hyaluronic acid serum even when I was in Dubai because the weather is so humid and like it just sucks out all the moisture. Right. But I feel like having a skincare routine which has hyaluronic acid in each step of your skincare routine, it kind of is just like an added bonus. That's why it's also loved by so many people. So first up, we're going to use this new launch by L'Oréal Paris. This is the Hydrating Gel Cleanser. I've actually used this a couple of times already and I love it. So I think we have a little bit of water in front of us. So we're just going to wet our face. No, just wet your face. So, and you really need very little.
Okay.
So I'm just going to give you like, that's it. You don't even need a lot. And it like foams up.
Okay.
Okay, we need to wash our faces, so we'll be right back. Be back!
Ta-da!
So how do you think your skin feels right
It feels really nice. You know, it actually feels kind of tightened.
That usually with a lot of cleansers like face washes,
Yeah.
what I have seen is that if it is, especially to like treat oily skin, like it like strips your skin off of oil. And your face feels like really little like stretched.
Yeah.
But then after I've used this, at least for me, like I feel like my skin feels plump and hydrated. Like I don't feel like my skin is dry.
No, I don't
And
feel that
parched.
no, I don't feel it's dry at all. But I feel like I've become younger.
You are like a newborn baby anyways. So it's not like you have to try hard to look like a baby.
It's definitely hydrating. Like I don't feel any kind of dryness. And I actually felt like my face was glowing in the bathroom.
Like my face feels much brighter.
Yeah, just by using a face wash.
With one step. So after I'm done with cleanser, I usually go in with the best thing on planet Earth.
This is one of their first products.
This is one of the first products that I was introduced to when I came to India. Literally, Niharika, I have not seen anything in the market which can replace this for me. And I think my audience is also tired right now of me telling them this, but I swear by this so much. I think I've told you this before also.
She literally uses
I
this as a
don't
religion
go anywhere without this. And even though it is like the big bottle that I carry with, I will take the big bottle with me. I don't care. This is like my Amrit.
Oh, the face Amrit.
Yes, the face Amrit. They can legit change the name of this crystal micro essence and name it face Amrit.
But this is new for me. It's actually quite cooling.
And I don't know about you, but for me, skincare is like my self-care. Like for me, it is like me taking care of myself.
It's your morning wake up.
Yes, I feel like I've taken care of myself. I feel more confident when I do like good proper skincare.
हो गया अभी? Now finished.
तुम ना वो पैक कहीं जाके लगा लो और अपना स्किन की ना धजिया उड़ा लो.
Okay, and I'm kind of like lazy.
She's lazy, but then she will put that pack on and sit and expect some magic to happen. So the next step is the magic ingredient, which is the 1.5% hyaluronic acid by L'Oréal Paris.
1.5% hyaluronic acid. I guess that's the correct amount for your skin.
Yes, that's what Aditi Memsab also says in the. That is why she knows. Only because Aditi Memsab says it in the video, Nebula Niharika Memsab also knows.
I listen to Aditi. I like her.
She will listen to Aditi. She'll not listen to me.
No. I want to feel it on my skin. Because Aditi says it's really lightweight. And Shruti is going to prove it. So I like the texture. It's really like lightweight.
Yeah, it gets absorbed into your skin very quickly. So like just like 4 drops.
Can I do that way?
La 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 la.
1 drop. 2 drop. Oh, I enjoy this so much. Girl on girl sessions are so much fun.
Why this is so lightweight is I think it doesn't have any like parabens, alcohol. See, it doesn't have any fragrance or anything also.
I've got sensitive skin, so I need things which are like fragrance free and like for sensitive skin, fragrance free, parabens free, alcohol free, so that it doesn't like ruin my skin.
Ruin my khubsurati.
I need to take care of my skin a lot more.
Yes, that is the
and
whole
L'Oréal Paris can help me with that.
Thank you very much.
and Shruti's introduction of L'Oréal Paris products can help me with it.
Yeah.
Mais il faut le dire à la façon française. L'Oréal Paris.
Translation services for French not available on this channel. Oui.
Parce que je le vaux bien.
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Non, c'est ça.
Pas ce soir? Demain? Demain soir?
So now this is the last step. This is the hyaluronic acid plumping creme for the
Am I
day.
just suddenly gonna look like Kareena Kapoor? Ding!
No, we are going to look like Aditi madam.
Oh, oops. Sorry.
Yes.
I just find that Kareena has like the most plumpy cheeks.
You cannot
Yes.
say that this is a branded video.
Oh, okay. Aditi has the most plump cheeks.
We have to
ever.
stay true to our brand.
Yes.
Aditi madam.
Aditi has the most plump.
Aditi, Aishwarya, Sonam, Katrina. इनमें से कुछ भी चुन ले तू.
Okay, I'll go for Aditi.
हाँ.
After that, I'll go for Aishwarya.
We have to stay true to our brand.
Because she has those plumpy legs.
Now put this
So I just take a little bit
and put it.
and I go 1, 2, 3. Even though it's my first time, I must say I'm very good at using these products.
लोग तो कहेंगे कि मैं अपने मुंह से क्या ही अपनी तारीफ करूं, but that is very unlike Nebula Niharika. So how do you think this works?
This is so soft and creamy. The texture is amazing. I just wish I could
It's
never
like
stop
it's
using
got this
it.
really like pearly texture, you know. It like gets absorbed into your skin very easily and quickly.
I love these kinds of creams which kind of like actually feel like it's creamy.
Yeah. So the thing is, this is very hydrating and moisturizing. It's very good also under makeup.
Okay.
Because it like preps your skin really well.
And locks in all.
Locks in all the moisture and everything. And it is a big myth, you know, that people think that people with oily skin don't need moisturizer. But you actually need a moisturizer, which is something like this, which will lock in all the goodness and skincare that you've done before you put the moisturizer. So it's kind of like a seal.
Nice.
Yeah, because then only your whatever you put on top of your skin.
But I have to say, it's so smooth.
It is amazing. Look at how your skin looks. Look at how my skin looks.
Yeah, it's amazing. It looks like we've used highlighter.
Yeah. Like, can you see how glowy my skin looks right now? Like even your skin. Look at that. This is no highlighter, no nothing. This is real skin, no filter, no nothing.
It really has an effect. It looks like the sun just kissed me.
Yeah. Like I feel like now.
I love it.
Now maybe Aditi madam needs to be replaced by the both of us.
Sure.
So what I do is usually when I want to have like a proper pamper sesh, I'll go in with these two, and then there is also a sheet mask.
Right.
Hyaluronic acid. I clearly cannot talk. I don't have it with me right now, but I use that also on my face. It's so nice. So okay, actually what we will do is we will just quickly do our faces so that you can see the pretty versions of these faces, and we will be right back.
In the morning.
Bosslady Shruti and Nebula Niharika are
Like
back with our faces done and our skin looking fly. You know, like this glow, I'm going to put a picture of my skin before and after makeup over here. This is with highlighter and that was without highlighter, and I feel there is no difference.
Yeah, like the internal glow is like exuding out. It's like
मतलब Aditi madam की बात आप मान गए.
Anyway, so now I think it's really good.
Yeah, and I think the best part is that it comes in a variety of sizes as well. So
Yeah, because like someone like me who just wants to try it out at the beginning.
yeah, so you said you want to try it out, and obviously this is maybe a little too much of commitment for her, I know. So you get like smaller size bottles of all of these also. So you get 15 ml and 30 ml of this. You get a 15 ml and a 50 ml, I presume, of this.
Yeah.
And
I can go for 15 ml of this.
yeah, and I know you like this cleanser also,
Yeah,
so
it was
you can
amazing.
try the smaller one. The one comes for 50 ml and another is for 100 ml, I
Okay.
believe. Yeah, so you can try out
I
the
might-
smaller ones
I
to
might,
see.
I might actually get the 100 ml because I really like it.
Yeah, you're not getting this. Get your own.
Steal it, okay?
Get your own. So yes, that is it for today. This is my best friend tries out my skincare routine. Do you like my skincare routine? Are you going to use it?
I'm definitely gonna try it out.
Yeah, I think that's why you can try out with the smaller sizes to see if you like it or
No,
not.
but I definitely like the face wash.
Yeah, I'm not
it's
giving
really
it to you. How much ever you say it, I'm not giving it to
I
you.
really like it.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed doing my skincare routine.
I feel revitalized.
So do you want to tell them what they have to do?
Yes, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Bosslady Shruti channel, and make sure you tell all your friends and family and best friends about it, because
tag your best friend in the comments and let me know if they have tried your skincare routine. And like I always say,
keep it bossy.
Keep it bossy.